You can also add in an event list section onto your Wix ADI page. And to do that, let me just click on add new section over here. And then on the left side, on the bottom hand side, you'll be able to find the event section. So let me just go around. And over here, you'll be able to find that there's event list on the left side, as you can see. So once you click on that, what happens is that you have a series of events which can be displayed. For example, let's say I'm just going to click on this one right over here, which is an event list. So you have a series of events which is coming up. You can go over here and then you can see that these are the events you actually have right over here. So you can manage that out and add more events. So on the previous lesson on single event section, we learned how to add in an event over there as well. So over here, this is a continuation from that very lesson right over here. So you can see right over here that the management section is loading. And you can see that it has been loaded right over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add more events right over here. So you can add in multiple events right over here. So I'm just going to give a distinct name right over here, just like that. So I'm just going to go forward with second event right over here, just like that. Second event right over here. I have an option whether I want to add this or not. Similarly, I can change the time zone right over here, just like this, and change out the date as well, as you can see. So I can go for physical location or online and add an event. So I'm just going to create an event. I'm just going to say online right over here. Online, and create an event right over here. So once I create an event, you can see right over here. I can also add in a picture right over here on this section. So I'm just going to go around and add in a picture as well from my site files itself. So I'm just going to click here and add this onto the page and save this out right over here. So once I do that, I can go back, work around with more events. So I got two events right over here. So I can go over here on to add event and add more events right over here. So I'm just going to go around and add in third event right over here, add in a picture just like this. So add in this picture, in this case, add to page, and I'm going to work around with a date right over here. And then this is going to be online as well, online right over here, and create an event. So similarly, I can add in many events just like this, and I'll have events right over here. So once I close this out, what happens is that the event list section actually reloads just like this, and your viewers will be able to see the event just like this. You can also change the design right over here from the left side. So you got this kind of a layout right over here where it is blank and square right over here. You can also go down and show your events like a list format right over here, as you can see, and you can go around and click on this as well. So that is how you can work around with event list section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.